Sabatia kaunti ya Vihiga ni kuatongoria arata na andũ a nyũmba ya mũtongoria wa ANC MusaliaMudavadi mekinyirie kuhe Mama Hanna Mudavadi gĩtĩo gĩake kĩa mũthia. Family no irauga Hanna ũrĩa ũkuĩte arĩ na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 92 atiga thutha mũciĩ mũkindĩrĩku mĩtugo na mĩikarĩre ũndũ ũrĩa wĩkĩrĩtwo ritũ nĩ MusaliaMudavadi.
With my mother-in-law who lies here today. A 30-year relationship is very hard to cram into a minute. But the 30 years I was with my mama, there was no altercation, there was no bad eye exchange between us, there was no bad word said between us.
If I am weak because I'm patient, then blame my mother. If I'm weak because I have a forgiving heart, then blame my mother. If I'm weak because I don't shout when expressing my point, then blame my mother.
Atongoria kuma mĩena ĩtiganĩte ya bũrũri onao nĩ marũgamĩte na family ya Musalia gũkũ president wa tene bũrũri-inĩ Mwai wa Kibaki agĩtũma ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa thomirwo nĩ Musalia ya kũria family ya Mudavadi kũiga ũkindĩrĩku ũrĩa mathomithirio nĩ mami wao.
I encourage each member of the family to take stock of the deeds of the late Mama Hanna and what she stood for.
Nilimwambia ndugu yangu hapa kwa mimi najua uchungu ya kupoteza mama. Mimi mama yangu alifariki nikiwa huko ndani. Na nikapata habari baada ya miezi mitatu.
And this mother lying here today was a mother to anybody who came into this household. To me, she took me as a son and we lived as such.
Kelewa na huyu mama, tumelishwa na huyu mama, na hata wakati mwingine na mwingine tukichelewa, hata kitanda ya kulala tulikuwa naye. Mtu mkarimu, mpenda watu, mpole.
President neranĩire waki wa barabara ya kilomita 18 ĩrĩa ĩgwakwo na gĩtĩo kĩa Hanna Mudavadi. Hanna Mudavadi nĩ mũtumia wa ũrĩa warĩ Minister Moses Mudamba Mudavadi. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.